Good morning, students. I'll make it very quick. So now we will discuss about 4 marks questions. Important topics of chapter wise for mathematics. If you want, you can. The video will be very fast. If you want, you can slow down the speed and you can watch it. So when it comes to the 4 marks question, the first topic is real numbers. From real numbers, you can expect two types of questions. One is from irrational, proving irrational number, and second is from logarithms. So mostly you can expect the questions from the logarithms itself. In logarithms also, two types of questions can be expected. One is conversion from algebraic form to logarithmic form, or logarithmic form to algebraic form. Like x, for example, there will be x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to something, and prove that log 2x plus log 2y is equal to log 2 log xy. Like that, they can ask a question converting from algebraic form to logarithm form, or logarithm form to algebraic. This is from the first chapter. And from the second chapter, if you see sets, from the sets you can expect a 4 marks question. A damn sure question you'll get. Compulsory question from sets in 4 marks. So remember, it's a compulsory question. The chance of giving is conversion from set builder form to a roster form, or roster form to set builder form. And after giving this, to convert from set builder to roster, they can ask you to find A union B or A intersection B, or sometimes you can also ask you A minus B also. So focus more on set builder to roster form and finding A union B, intersection and minus. So this is from chapter 2, 36. And if you look at polynomials, the chance of asking division. There is a division, finding the coefficient and remainder for a polynomial. And second, so most probably they'll ask division only. Then if you go to the fourth chapter, with this pair of linear equation, there are three chances of asking the question. One is finding the equations using different methods. We have three different methods: substitution method, elimination method, graphical method. Of course, graphical method can be given in 6 marks. So there is a chance that you will get a pair of linear equations solving using either substitution method or elimination method. Previously, three times the question was asked on finding substitution method. If they mention the method, you need to do in the same method. If they don't mention, you can follow your own method, right? And if it comes to the fifth chapter, that is quadratic equations. So in quadratic equation, you get the questions definitely and finding the roots, or types of the roots, or nature, finding the nature of the roots. So that can be done using prime factorization method. Different methods we have, right? So in that, better you follow the formula based method, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of discrimination, that is b square minus 4ac. This formula is right, b square minus 4ac by divided by 2a. So this is one way of finding the roots. Better you learn this formula, so that a damn sure question can be expected from the quadratic equation, finding the roots and finding the nature of the roots. So this is about the quadratic equations. And we have the sixth chapter as arithmetic progression. That means progressions. In progressions, we have two types of progression: arithmetic progressions and geometrical progression. In arithmetical progression, we have finding nth term and sum of the n terms. Same in geometrical progression, we have finding the sum of n terms. There is a chance that for GP or AP, finding sum of the n terms. For infinity terms, we have different formula for GP. Please focus on the different formulas. Same way, to from arithmetic progression, you can expect a question when a relation between two terms will be given. For example, like this: 11 times 11th term is equal to 5 times the 5th term. Then what is 7th term? So like that, two relations, relation between two terms will be given, and we have to find other term. So this type of questions can be expected from arithmetic progression. Same way, a sequence will be given, finding the nth term, or a first term and n term will be given, finding the sequence. That means arithmetic progression. So this is how you can expect the questions from sixth chapter, that is progression. Then we have seventh chapter, coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, you can expect the questions like finding the type of triangle. Three vertices will be given. You need to find the type of the triangle, right? Three vertices: x1, x2, y1. I mean x1, y1, x2, y2. Same way, x3, y3 will be given. So after giving that, you need to find what type of triangle it is. So it is a scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, or right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, that you need to find using distance between 2 point formula. So this is one type of question. Or quadratic quadrilateral will be given, like 3 vertices will be given. So you need to find out the fourth vertex, or sometimes 4 vertices will be given. You need to find out type of the quadrilateral, like is it a parallelogram or rectangle, so like that. So this is three types of questions can be given. In rare cases you will get area of triangle. So area of triangle, we have a direct formula 1 by 2 mod, so that formula can be used directly, right? So if you want, please comment below to remember the formulas. I have a technique to remember the formulas of area of triangle and different formulas of progressions, quadratic equations, statistics, and mensuration. If you want, we will do one more video on that if you mention in the comments. Then if you go to the next chapter, that is similar triangles. In similar triangles, rare cases you are getting a 4 marks question. 99% no chance of getting a question from similar triangles. Even if you get a triangle question from similar triangles, you will get basing on basic proportionality theorem and its application. So I'll get a question on BPT, basic proportionality theorem and its application. And then we have secant and tangents. There are no questions till now repeated in 4 marks questions, so you can leave it. Then at last we have trigonometry. Trigonometry, we get questions basing on 2 topics for 4 marks. One is trigonometric identities, like sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So that trigonometric identity, there are 3 identities, learn them very clearly. You will get question on that. LHS will be given, we have to put RHS. So that type of questions can be given from trigonometry. Second part is basing on the table, value table. We have sin 30, cos 30, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees. That basing on that table, you will get a question in 4 marks from trigonometry. So applications of trigonometry, you won't get any question. Then if you go to statistics we have, in rare cases we are getting formula based questions, mean, mode, median. So what they will give, they will ask you to write the formula and explain each term. So this type of questions can be expected from statistics and arithmetic progression questions, as well as mensuration. So from these 3 chapters together, you have 8 formulas to learn. If you learn 8 formulas under communication academic standard, they will give you the formula, or they'll ask you to write the formula and explain in each term. For example, write the median formula and explain each term. Or they may ask you to write the formula of volume of the cylinder and explain each term. This comes under communication. So there are 8 formulas. If you learn 8 formulas, chance of getting either 2 marks or 4 marks question out from this 8 formulas. So focus more on formulas. Better you write all the formulas at one place in one page, and whenever you're free, just go through them, learn each and every term in the formula. So this is our statistics. Then we have probability. From probability, there is a chance that you'll get a question on 3 aspects. One is on coins, right? And one is on dice. Throwing a die, you'll get 6 possible outcomes. If a die thrown 2 times, you'll get 36. 6 into 6, 36 possible outcomes, like that. Or you will get a question on cards. So learn about coins anyhow 2 possible outcomes, dice anyhow we know 6 possible outcomes thrown once. Cards, we have different types of cards, spades, hearts, black, right? Like that, you just learn. There is a flow chart in your textbook, learn that flow chart for the cards. So this is about 4 marks question. And sorry, I missed mensuration. In mensuration, you will get a question either on cube, or you'll get a question on cuboid. Sorry, on cuboid, or you'll get a question on combination since in the sense what, they'll give 2 combination type of question. They will give 2 different aspects in one question. For example, like this, a cylinder is given, the bottom of the cylinder is hemispherical shape. So they'll ask you to find out the volume of this. So this is a combination of cylinder as well as hemisphere. Same way, they'll give cylinder and tent is in the form of cylinder and a cone surmounted on it. So find out the volume, or find out the lateral surface area, total surface area, like that. They'll ask questions. Combination based questions can be asked from mensuration in 4 marks question. Thank you very much. If anything you require, please comment in comment section. Unless otherwise you mention in the comment section, I cannot understand what next to be done. If you want 6 marks questions to be done for mathematics, or if any subjects to be done, so please comment. Otherwise I will not understand. Those who are watching, please comment about anything, whether you need formulas or any tips or question paper booklet pattern, like you're getting 24 pages booklet for your exam, minimum 80 number of lines you need to write, whether you're getting white paper or a linings paper, whatever information you need, please comment in the comment section, then only I can understand what you require, so that I can make a next video. Thank you very much. Thank you. And subscribe, share it with your friends in other schools also, so that they'll get a benefit. Thank you very much.